से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके.
We are students of New Era English School. We belong to grade 10 and our group's name is Thomas Edison Group. Today we are going to perform a maths activity. Our aim is to verify that the given sequence is an arithmetic progression by paper cutting and pasting method. So material required for this activity are color paper, glue, scale, graph paper, scissor, etc. So first of all, what is arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. If A is the first term and D is the common difference, then A plus D it gives a second term, and by adding D to second term we get the third term, and by third term A plus 2D, and by adding D to the third term we get the fourth term A plus 3D, and this way by the formula A plus n minus 1 into D we get the n term. So now we will try to understand it through graphically. So here are two examples. So first, here as you can see, everyone's width is 1 centimeter, but their lengths are different. Here its length is 1, here 3 centimeter, here 5 centimeter, here 7 centimeter, here 9 centimeter and 11. As you can
here width of all strips is same, that is 1 centimeter, but they have different length. We can see that difference between these two strips is 2 centimeter, and here also difference is 2 centimeter. Similarly in these two strips also it is 2 centimeter, and in remaining all strips there is difference of 2 centimeter. So we can see that the common difference is 2. Hence the given sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 is an arithmetic progression. Now next example. In this example we have to verify the sequence 1, 2, 5, 8, 9, 15 is an arithmetic progression or not. So here we have these strips. Now these strips have the same width, that is 1 centimeter, but they have different length. We can see the difference between these two strips is 1 centimeter. In these two strips it is 3 centimeter, and in these two strips it is 3 centimeter. In these two strips it is 1 centimeter, and in these two strips it is 6 centimeter. So we can find that common difference is not same in all the strips. So the given sequence 1, 2, 5, 8, 9 and 15 is not an arithmetic progression.
we verify that the given sequence is AP or not by paper cutting and pasting method. Thank you.